Yeah, I don't want to panic you, but I think your smoke alarm's going off. You stay there while your guests sort it out.
Oh, look at that. Take it outside. I'm putting it outside, Rachel.
Could Rachel's relaxed evening be going up in flames? Way to go, Clive. What Paula is doing here is completely and utterly wrong. If you're making creme brulee at home and caramelising the sugar, do not hold the bowls in your hand. Always place on a fireproof surface and wear oven gloves. After devouring 4 of the 5 courses, our ladies decide to skip the cheese platter. Conscious of the fact. Spoke too soon.
Cameron,
yes.
Can you do something about the alarm, please? Thank you.
He then seals...
Well, that's that done. Let's go and sort that out.
He then seals...
Oh, well. Off again.
He then seals the beef. Yeah, exactly.
That's the colour I want, and I want that all round.
Yeah, it's possibly a bit hot.
Oh, that's perfect. That really burnt me, though.
Oh, dear. You're sure they're indoor fireworks, yes? Nah, yeah.
Help!
Yeah, I'm not sure they're going to hear you with that noise.
Are you alright, Erica?
What is something?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's going to help. I'd turn off the ring. And the fire alarm.
Shut up!
That's it, fella. Brave face.
Ooh, what does that smell?
Oh, hang on.
The sticks are burning.
Classic.
It's the sticks. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You don't have to apologise to me.
What I'm going to do is take out the sticks because I forgot to soak them.